Understanding how to make smart decisions at the blackjack table comes down to matching your hand against what the deal is showing. While most casino games are pure chance, blackjack gives you real control through optimal decision-making based on proven mathematical logic. The strategy framework we're covering works whether you're sitting down for your first hand or you've played thousands of rounds. The foundation of solid blackjack strategy starts with classifying what you're holding. When you've got totals between 12 and 16 without an ace you can use flexibly, you're dealing with what we call stiff hands. They're risky because drawing just one more card could bust you. Once you hit 17 or higher, you've got what's known as a pat hand, and standing becomes your safest move in most situations. Your decision hinges entirely on that dealer's up card staring back at you. When they're showing 2 through 6, that signals dealer weakness, so you'll stand more often and let them take the risk of busting. But when you see 7 through ace facing you, that's dealer strength territory, which means you'll need to hit those stiff hands. European Blackjack follows this same strategic logic, though it deals no whole card initially, which slightly adjusts your risk calculations when you're considering doubles and splits. For players just starting to build their blackjack strategy foundation, there's a core rule set that'll serve you well. Always stand when you're at 17 or higher, always hit when you're sitting on 11 or less, and let that dealer's up card be your guide for everything in between those 12 through 16 decisions. If the dealer's showing 2 through 6, stand on your stiff hands and give them the chance to bust themselves. When they're showing 7 through ace, keep hitting until you reach at least 17. American Blackjack uses a whole card that the dealer checks immediately for naturals, so you'll know right away if they've got 21 before you make any risky moves like doubling down or splitting pairs. The beauty of playing blackjack at online platforms is that the strategy works identically to what you'd use at physical tables. Same odds, same optimal decisions, same mathematical foundation. What matters most is consistency in your approach. Classify your hand type, read what the deal is showing, then execute the correct action every single time without deviation. Now, Spanish 21 removes all the 10s from the deck, which fundamentally changes bust probabilities and shifts the entire strategic landscape, so your standard strategy charts won't apply there. When you're learning and building solid habits, stick with classic blackjack variants to develop that consistent decision-making framework.